Hey there, it's Shaka and you are watching All About Tech. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix an error called you need format the disk before using it. So let's get started. As you can see, there is the error. We need to open command prompt for fix this error. After opening command prompt, type diskpart and press enter. Then type list blank disks and press enter. Then select your pen drive by typing select blank disk blank number. Press enter. Now type clean. Then type create partition primary. Then open your file explorer again and format the pen drive. After the format is complete, you can use the pen drive again. So that's it for today's video. If you found it useful, then press the like button. If you have any queries, please comment down below and don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel for getting more tech videos. Thank you.